Hello guys, this is a quick video on injector coding on the VWs, Audis, Skodas and Seats on TDI engines. This one's 1.6. What I want to do is show you how to get the security access to your car to code the injector, which you have to code. The injectors must be coded for a good performance of your car. I showed you on the video before how to do the injector and what you need to do and how to code it, but obviously it comes up with that error message saying that you need the security access. So what you need to do is plug into the car, go to the engine. You will try and go to the adaptations. In my case, I've done the injector number 4. Already got a new code in there, but you'll try and type new code in there and you'll press do it and it will come up with the error message saying that you need security access. What you need to do is to get the security access, you need to go to security access in there, and it will usually, when you press there, it comes up with the code already. So you need to put 27971 in this particular vehicle and it will come up. You do it, it will come up that it's been enabled, so it will work after that. So you go back to adaptation, get your injector 4, put a new code in, make sure it's the right code as you got on a new injector at the top, how I showed you in the last video, and then press do it and it will come up saying accepting the values, blah blah blah, and it's all done. And then obviously go again to fault codes. It should be clear now, yep, but if you got fault codes, clean them and then you should be right to start up the car. Alright guys, thank you very much.